Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. You know pretty well about what a footprint is. Robinson Crusoe was a sailor and he was abandoned or he had to live in an island alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. So let's move on to see what happened after that. Let me read the chapter. One day, when I was going towards my boat, I was surprised to see the footprint of a man on the sand. I stood amazed. I listened. I looked around me. I could neither hear nor see anything. I went up higher to look down. I went up the shore and down the shore, but it was no good. I could find no other footprint but that one. I went to it again to see if there were any more footprints and to tell if it had been my imagination. But I was not mistaken, for there was exactly the print of a foot, toes, heel, every part of a foot. I could not imagine how it came there. I stayed a long time thinking but became more and more confused. At last I returned home very frightened, looking behind me after every 2 or 3 steps, mistaking every bush and tree to be a man. When I came to my cave, which I called my castle, I ran inside it as if I was being chased. I do not remember whether I used the ladder or went in by the hole in the rock which I called the door. I ran for cover faster than any animal could run. I did not sleep that night. The more I thought about what I had seen, the more afraid I became. I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Luckily, I was not on shore at that time, but what if he had seen my boat? If he had seen the boat, he would have realized that someone lived on the island and would soon return with others to kill and eat me. And so I lay fearful for many days and prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted and began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently because I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again and examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own foot mark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could not be my footprint because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again, believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Adapted from Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. The summary of the chapter: Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe was a sailor. Who is a sailor? A sailor means one who takes the control of a ship, right? After the shipwreck, Robinson managed to take away maximum things from the ship to a nearby island. Shipwreck means the destruction of a ship. An island is a small land which is surrounded by water on all the 4 sides. Unfortunately, he was the only survivor of that ship. Means he was the only person who escaped from that ship. So he had to live alone in the island for years and years. One day, Robinson Crusoe noticed a footprint on the island. The story progresses with the thoughts and actions of Robinson Crusoe after seeing that footprint. Though Robinson searched everywhere for the owner of the footprint, he couldn't find anyone. He was confused and frightened more and more whenever he thought about that footprint. After seeing the footprint, Robinson had mistaken even tree or a bush for a person, and he ran at his maximum speed to reach his cave. For him, the cave is like a castle, and the rocks which were used to cover the cave were like the door of the castle. he could not expect anything other than these rocks and caves in that island. Robinson couldn't sleep well after seeing the footprint, since the footprint was not his own and it was the sign of the presence of some other person in that island. He was afraid of the savages in the island. Do you know who a savage is? A savage is a person who has been living that place for a long time. Savages were the first inhabitants of that place. Inhabitant means somebody who is living. So Robinson Crusoe was very much afraid of the savages. Why? Because they would kill him if they found out his presence there. I hope you understood the summary. Now let's move on to the questions and answers. The first question is, what made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? And the answer is, Robinson Crusoe thought that the print on the ground was a footprint because that had toes, heel and every part of a foot. The second question is, why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? The answer is, when Robinson looked at the bushes and trees, he mistook each of them as a man and got afraid. The third question is, why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? The answer is, if the savages had realized Robinson's presence there, they would kill and eat him. So Robinson prayed after seeing the footprint for his protection. Okay, now let's discuss about this world famous footprint. Do you know whose footprint is this? Yes, this is the footprint of the first person on the moon. His name is Neil Armstrong.